Hello, we are Team Krabs, and this is our Genius Olympiad Robotics Genie Restorator prototyping video. Our team members are Edward, Aidan, and Braydon.
Okay, so due to time constraints, our robot is not coded and is not fully functional. So this demo is meant to show like the main subsystems of our robot and how they will function when we complete it.
Yes. So,
So here's a video of what like we plan to make a flip up roller intake, but like we don't have the arms yet, but like yeah, you can see what the design will be.
it is a transfer mechanism from a roller into the
Yeah.
basket. Here's the
And
claw system, and you can see it picking up a cube also into the same bucket, and the slides are able to extend and release.
yeah, and and then this will be also using the same claw for the trees. And this is basically our plan for how we're going to transfer trees into the nursing cell.
Yes. The claw will just be positioned at the very front of the robot, and we may just swap out the roller intake for the claw intake.
So this is the CAD outline for our final design. So I'll go over all the parts. So you can see that the drivetrain is down here. Uh, there's the wheels, which are the left and right circles, and then the gears where the motors will be turning, which are these things. And next, you can see this long bar is the slides, and on the sides is the box, which we demonstrated earlier, that we will use as the outtake. And you can see like the measurements we made to make sure that it will be able to reach over the field wall and enter the bucket.
These are on millimeters as well.
Yeah. So this is a closer look at the drivetrain. So you can see that there's a big circle that represents the range of the roller. And this will be where the roller will like intake the tennis balls and put it into the bucket. If we have a closer look, this is essentially the path of the tennis ball, and it will essentially roll up this slope and then go up, and then once it reaches this point, it'll tip over into the basket. And the basket's walls are like they end here, not up there, so it's able to cross. So yeah. Uh,
Next is the roller intake. Here you can see that the motor is closer to the point where it rotates so that you don't put too much strain on the flip-up motor. And it is transferring its rotational motion through a belt into the rollers that are at the front, just like you saw in the video before, and it's able to quickly intake and outtake the tennis ball.
and this claw is a basic claw where like the two claws are geared together and it's powered by a servo.
Yeah, one singular servo is able to open and close both of the little arms of the claw at the same time because of the gears.
We also plan to modify them to become independent so that we can more easily grab two trees at once.
Yes.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you.